One word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I see a beautiful rose opening and unfolding, and as it does, it reveals the beauty inside. It releases the fragrance that has been hidden. For the Lord says, I make you new and beautiful. I'm restoring and healing. I'm revealing my heart of love. Don't fear, don't be afraid, but draw into my presence, receiving my peace and my love. For I am at work, making all new. I'm at work, revealing my heart of love to you. Faithful I have been, and faithful I will continue to be. For I'm guiding and I'm leading you by my hand. I'm guiding and I'm leading you by my spirit. As I make all new, as I make all beautiful, allow me to work. Give me the freedom to do the things which only I can do. For I'm bringing my healing presence to you. Surrender all into my hands, letting go, and allowing me to shape and to mold you, allowing me to perfect all that concerns you. The darkness gives way to the light, for my light will shine, my light will break forth. The night will give way to the day, for I'm turning situations around. Where things have been cloudy and dull, overcast, where things have seemed to not be moving at all, I'm bringing a new freedom and a new liberty. For the wind of my spirit is blowing upon you. It is dispelling the darkness. It's dispelling fear and doubt. For I am the one who fills you with my love that removes fear, my love that makes you whole. Enter into my presence and receive my peace. Draw near to me and receive my love. For I am with you, the faithful one, the one who is guiding and leading you by my spirit. I'm guiding and I'm leading you by my hand. You will see and you will know my love at work. You will see and you will know my goodness in your life. For I am with you and I am for you. I'm blessing you anew. I'm filling you again. Trust in me, for it is a new day. It is a season of joy and of song, a time of victory. Step forward, trusting in me, for I am the Lord. Let go of the past. Leave the past behind as you enter into the new day, as you enter into this new season. For you will see my faithfulness. You will see my love. I am the one who has called and chosen you from the very beginning. I've called and I've chosen you, for I am the one who is with you, the one who loves you. Leave behind the past. Leave behind the former things. Let go of the things which no longer matter, for I am the one who is bringing true freedom to you, bringing true liberty. You will see my faithful love. You will know that I am the Lord, for I am healing and restoring. I'm making new and whole. Faithful I have been, faithful I continue to be, for I'm turning situations around for your good. I'm making all things new, making all things beautiful. I invite you to taste and see my goodness. I invite you to take time with me, allowing me to cleanse and to heal, to restore and to make new. For I'm bringing signs of my love to you, signs of my loving care. I invite you to draw into my presence, for it is in my presence that you find peace. It is in my presence that you find joy and strength. I am the Lord who loves you. I love you from the very beginning to the end. I'm making you new and whole. I'm cleansing and healing. I'm restoring and making new. You will see my love. You will see my heart revealed. For I am the one who has called and chosen you. I invite you to draw near, to taste and to see that I am good. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.